Reviving a SkilSaw 3317 miter saw can be an exciting project for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers looking to restore a reliable piece of equipment. Begin by conducting a thorough inspection to assess the condition of the saw, checking for any signs of wear or damage, particularly in the motor, blade, and power cord. Clean off any accumulated dust and debris to ensure smooth operation. If necessary, replace worn-out parts like the blade or brushes to enhance performance. Lubricate moving parts to reduce friction and ensure precise cuts. Don't forget to verify that all safety features, such as the blade guard, are functioning properly. Finally, test the saw by making a few cuts on scrap wood to confirm it's operating efficiently. With proper care and maintenance, your SkilSaw 3317 miter saw can be a trusty tool in your workshop for years to come.